Let us inspect the first part, namely the input supply wires. There are two supply points, one on the fan and the other on the switchboard. Let us first see how to check the input supply wire at the fan junction box. Before that, don't forget to wear your personal protective equipment like your gloves, rubber shoes, and your protective eyewear. Step 1. Ensure that the fan is switched off. Step 2. Lower the top canopy of the ceiling fan. Step 3. Open the ceiling rose of the fan junction box. Step 4. Check for any loose connection wires on the junction box. In case there is a loose connection, using a screwdriver, tighten the wires. Fix the junction box ceiling rose. Switch on the fan switch from the switchboard to check if it is functioning properly. Since there are no loose connection wires in this case, let us check the input supply wire at the fan junction box. Step 5. Put the neon tester on the fan phase terminal or live wire terminals. If the bulb in the tester glows, as in this case, it means that there is no fault in the phase supply wire.
If the bulb in the tester does not glow, it means there may be fault in the switchboard.
Replace the phase supply wire. Step 6. Now use the test lamp to check both the phase and neutral terminal at the junction box. In this case, the lamp glows. That means there is no fault at the junction box.
In case the lamp does not glow, it means there may be fault in the switchboard.
Let us see how to check the input supply wire at the switchboard end. Step 7. Switch off the main input supply. Step 8. Open the switchboard. Step 9. Check for any loose connections in the wires. In this case, there are no loose wires found. If there is any loose connections, use a screwdriver and tighten the wires to their terminals. Step 10. Switch on the main input supply. Step 11. Put the neon tester on the phase terminal of the fan switch. The bulb in the tester does not glow. There is no input supply to the fan switch. So let us replace the phase supply wire to the fan switch. In case the bulb tester glows, there is no fault in the supply wire to the fan switch. Step 12. Put the neon tester on the output terminal of the fan switch. If the bulb tester glows, there is no fault in the connection between the fan switch and the fan regulator. In case the bulb tester does not glow, the fan switch is faulty. Replace the switch. Friends, now take a look at this chart for better clarity. As you can see in this chart, there could be more than one symptom for a given fault. We have demonstrated fixing of few symptoms, which is marked in brown color in this chart. However, you must be familiar with all the symptoms and their remedies that are shown in this chart.